I have to brush my teeth. Don't let me forget. So we're moving in today. I'm moving in today. You're just gonna come along for the ride. I'm afraid that I like overpacked. Okay, so I've got my record player, some cords, a lamp, my records. All in this bag is books and like supplies. And then I've got laundry basket. There's like shoes, some clothes, like little basket of stuff, mostly shoes. This one has, I think, some shoes, some jackets, more of the basket thingies. And we've got clothes, laptop, popcorn, toiletry bag, and then we've got my body pillow here. We've got like decorations in that drawer, like toiletries. Down there's like first aid and like Tupperware. Then we've got my trunk, which is full of like towels and winter stuff. Then we've got this bad boy. This is all my bedding stuff. And then we also have this little ottoman right here, which has my sheets, hangers, and I think that's it. Look who woke up at this time of day. It looks like we spotted Bigfoot.
Hi.
No, not like literally, but like. Okay, so we're in the car. We're almost at the school. We've got like a mile till we get there. Got the car all packed up, and then I don't know if you can see it. Aunt Kiki and Veronica are in the car behind us. So they're coming.
We went the back way.
We went the back way. We took.
Because it's more fun.
It's more fun, more pretty than Stinky 87. Kind of crazy, almost there. Got lots of stuff.
Overpacked.
I don't think I overpacked. I think I safely packed enough that is a little extra. We'll find out soon, I guess. So, just wanted to update you. Get excited, get pumped. Woo woo, we're listening to Steely Dan, we're pumping.
I'm never going back to my old school.
But you are.
I am.
Alright, catch you later.
Turn right on Hot.
Dang it, Siri, you're ruining all the songs. Say hi. Yay! Ah! Woo woo! Yeah!
Yeesh. Oh, you're both wearing white. Oh, we're so cute. I almost just said we're matching. Shower check. Shower. I wish. You should get the one that no one wants.
But which one does no one want?
Probably this one.
Yeah. So I'll put my stuff there.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's all funny games till someone loses an eye.
Until someone drops a part. So
Don't drop the soap. You know what they say? Don't drop the soap. Haters. Do you want your shower cap in there? Yes. Hang it up. On the hook. Yeah, just hook. It's all hook. She said, that's nice. That's so funny. That's sweet. That is sweet.
I can't even I haven't even been up there.
Nice. I've even been up there. Yeah.
Really? We did it.
Wow.
Bunky, 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 bunky,
Bunky.
Now my new bunky is safety monkey. Yes, get it, girl.
Oh,
yes,
that's
yes,
a
yes.
picture of her.
No, I'm taking a video.
Oh wait, that's even better.
Ew, ew,
Ow.
Oh my god, you little ew.
Ow.
Guess who's a little college girl? This guy. Almost that guy.
Oh, don't even talk to me. Oh, snap, bitches.
I'll tie my shoes when I'm damn ready to tie my shoes.
Okay.
I'll tie them.
Friends and influence people.
Hey, welcome to New Paltz, ladies. Welcome to this way. Getting those books, baby. So we got some stuff, guys. We got some books, some fun books and stuff. I've got 12 of them here. Can't wait to read them all. Back here with my bunkie.
We got,
Let's do a little tour.
So we got, in a mysterious way, but that shall not be named, we got binders, folders, pens, tape, stapler, a lot of stuff. How are we feeling, Bunky?
Feeling good, Bunky. Gonna miss you, Bunky.
I'm gonna miss you too, Bunky.
Here's the memoriam to Bunkies.
Oh, Bunky, look at it.
Bunky. Watch it. Watch it now. I don't know, I'm gonna put a video of us being bunkies.
It was a dark and stormy night.
Cue the music.
Like tacos. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. It was a dark and smoky night.
Smeagol, did you eat?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below.
Bunky, 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 bunky.
Bunky.
You watched it. How was it? Was it good? Did you like it?
Me?
Not you. You haven't seen
I say it was good.
Okay, read the sign.
Sorry, no dogs allowed. Lock them in your hot car. I literally
Oh,
lock them in your hot car.
okay.
It's horrible.
Yeah, that is horrible. What are we looking at over here?
Lavender. Is this lavender?
And this is rosemary.
Ooh. Hey, get a load of that guy. Hey, get a load of that guy.
Did you put, like the TikTok, you put your feet in it? Look at this.
It's a big tomato. Jinx. What are those? Whoa, that's what garlic looks like?
Yeah.
I had no idea. Peace out, punky.
Watch out.
Sorry. We got some goodies at ShopRite and Lowe's. We got my scepter. I'm going to be the queen of toilet cleaning. We got a garbage can where I'll be sleeping for the next 4 years. We grabbed a spotlight for me. Can I have a spotlight?
So that you can shine them on your goldfish.
So I can shine them on my goldfish and yogurt and granola and my Fresca. Super excited about the spotlight. This is, I think, best buy we've found today.
I agree.
Thank you. All right, so this is the setup. I've decorated already. I got the pupperinos, the little guys, and my dad, the ghouls, a little note my dad gave me this morning, his plane ticket, of course the painting I couldn't forget. I also have a spotlight. I think I was talking about it. Yeah, my spotlight, it's so cool. It's on Atlanta. Got my map up. These are all my books, not even all of them. I have another one in here. And then another online book, but whatever. Then we got my little mugs, my little hydro flask. We've got my little fridge. We've got Jesus Safety Monkey. Inside we loaded it up with, we got yogurt and then just Fresca. My dad got me some popcorn. We got granola. We've got some snacks, peppermint tea. And then we've got all my records. My record player. This thingy I made a while ago, whatever. We've got some lights I decorated. Kind of cute, not gonna lie. Little garbage can. Then we've got my little Betty bed. Got some pictures, some other, you get it, it's a bed, you know what that is. I got my fun little key card number. Epic. I think my little cheekies are red. Why is that? Veronica, let me know. Why is my cheekies red? I'll show you the room later, maybe. Okay, so I just wanted to show you like kind of an update because I've kind of moved some stuff around. So I wanted to show you because the last thing I showed you was wrong, Brooke, you're wrong. And I also didn't show you like the entire room. I just showed you my side of the room because my roomie was here. My roomie. So anyway, it's a little messy now because I've started doing work, but it's my third day, I guess, in the dorm. So I'll show you kind of like an updated whatever. Here's where you come in, and then you've got our dressers and whatnot. I've got 2 drawers down there, and then got this little organizer from Target, super cute. Got some snacks in there. Got like a bunch. And then towels, like hand towels and like soap. And then some hats and like miscellaneous stuff. Then we got jacket, shirts, pants, you know, all that stuff. Shoes, nice little mirror. Thanks New Paltz for giving me this bad boy. Hey yo, hey cutie. Hey cutie, wow, didn't see you there. And we got this little rug, little bath mat, and then toothpaste. Hello. My little shelfie We put a little shower curtain on this bad boy to make it a little bit cuter, but it's too short, so like when you're in there, all the water just comes on the floor. I've got my grandma's rug, my little trunk. I started putting stickers on it. Oh, and my laundry. That's cute. We love that. So then this is my roommate's half of the room, I guess. She put up some posters that are super cute. Then we've got my stuff. So we got something to put my books in that's a little bit better. Then we have all my school supplies. We got a little set of Connect 4, which is kind of fun. Then I got some more magnets for my fridge. Let's see what's in here. We got some Tupperware, my sewing kit, some tissues, reusable bags, first aid kit. Then in here, not much really yet. Not much at all. We've got pictures of everyone. Max and Baxter in their pajamas is over there, right next to my little head. Hi, Sleepy Brooke. Yeah, that's the dorm. Hopefully you like it. Like, subscribe, comment what you want to see more of. That's all. Thanks for watching.